Hi guys, we are here with yet another video and you are watching Travel Clicks with Efron and we are at Jaipur, which is known as a pink city, and from here we are moving to Jantar Mantar. So this is the biggest in India out of the 5 Jantar Mantar present in the country, and it is located in the heart of the city. It is a huge observatory which is constructed to predict the time and the moment. It is also the world's largest sundial that was built to collect the astronomical data. You could also see the structure uses the position of the sun and the direction of the shadows to tell the time in the ancient days. It has been designed skillfully to predict the movement and the position of the other celestial bodies in the space. It also contains 16 geometric devices designed to measure the time and track the celestial bodies and observe the orbit of the planets around the sun. It also houses the interpretation center that helps the tourists to understand about the working principle and the chronology of the observatory. So from here we are moving to our second destination, that is City Palace, which is located deep within the walled city. The City Palace complex was convinced and built by the Maharaja Swai Jai Singh II, the founder of the Jaipur, a beautiful fusion of the Mughal and the Rajput architecture. The palace is still home to the last ruling royal family, which lives in a private section of the palace. It is also known as a heritage monument with a blend of the Mughal, European and Rajputana architecture together. As a result, this palace stands as a symbol predicting the richness and the royalty of the Indian history. The City Palace is actually a big complex located inside a portieres building with other halls, palaces, gardens, gateways and the Holy Shrine. So from here we are moving to our third destination, that is Hawa Mahal, and this is also known as the Palace of Wind, which was built from the red and pink sandstone. The original intent of the lights design was to allow the royal ladies to observe everyday life and festival celebrated in the street below without being seen. From here we are moving to our fourth destination, that is Amber Fort, and it is the old fort built in 1592 by the Raja Man Singh, and the Mahota Lake adds a certain charm to the entire fort. This fort is also very popularly known as the Amber Palace, and the Amber Fort was built in red sandstone and marble. And it is also known for its artistic style elements and with a large ramparts and series of gates and combed paths. That fort overlooks the Mahota Lake, which is the main source of water from the Amber Palace. The Mughal architecture greatly influenced the architectural style of the several buildings of the fort. From here we are moving to our fifth destination, that is Jal Mahal, and it is also known as a water palace. It is located in the middle of Mansaga Lake in the Pink City, and the Jal Mahal Palace is 5-story high and is completely made of red stone. The 4th floor of the palace stay under the water and only one is visible. Also come to see the beautiful Jaipur city. From here, we are moving to our sixth destination, that is Birla Mandir. It was built in 1988, which was famously referred to as Lakshmi Narayan Temple, and it was really dedicated to the god Vishnu and his wife goddess Lakshmi. The temple breaks away the traditional style of the temples of the past and displays a modern treatment to it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give a comment and subscribe to my channel, and also please press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos, and see you guys next time.